अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज की इस वीडियो में हम अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल के हवाले से बात करेंगे। तो चलिए हम अपनी वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। द टाइप ऑफ आइडेंटिटी डिटरमाइंस द ओवरऑल अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल फॉर प्रॉफिट प्राइवेट आइडेंटिटी फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड बोर्ड departure from telephone USOA must be approved in advance. Cooperative Financial Accounting Standard Board telephone USOA non for profit identity. Departure from telephone USO must be approved in advance. Government Accounting Standard Board. ठीक है, आगे हमारे पास नॉट अलाउ आ जाता है कैश बेसिस अकाउंटिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग, टैक्स बेसिस अकाउंटिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग, for accrual accounting under FASB and GASB standard must be followed, but it is also important to note that amount capitalized under GAAP do not means at atom in finance able. The underlying transaction must be confirmed to telephone USOA and title to grant an agreement. LLC must be prepared the financial statement in according with the generally accepted accounting principle and confirm with telephone USOA. Note that amount capitalized under GAAP do not mean an item in financial able. The underlying transaction must be confirmed to telephone USOA and title to grant an agreement. Common element for all GAAP conservatism, capability, consistency, matching principle, FASB accounting standard, codify ASC 360, self constructed assistance. All direct costs are included in total cost of assistance. Fixed overhead costs are not allowed unless they are increased by the construction of the assistance. Interest cost may or may not be capitalized. AFUCDC specifically exclude from the financing and interest during construction required prior approval to the financed. Common element for all GAAP responsible, equitable and eligible cost for internally generated assistance must have a direct relationship for construction. Not indirect cost are technically direct cost that cannot be specifically identified to a specific project. Fully distributed cost can be used for affiliated transaction, but agreement and the cost allocation method must be approved by RUS under the eligible, reasonable and allocable constraint of title to grant and agreements. Note, the Uniform System of Account and Title 2 of the Code of Federal Regulation may constrain the capitalization of cost allowed under ASC 360. Telephone Uniform System of Account 1770B-147 CFR Part 32 Uniform System of Account required the REA telephone browsers. Chart of account required for all telephone browser. Electronic and non-telephone browser must have the general gender chart of account that comply with system for purpose of project funded by the Reconnect loans and grants. Possibly use a division for reporting. 32 minus 12 record. The company financial record shall be kept in accordance with generally accepted accounting principle to the extent permitted by this system of account. The company financial record that be kept with sufficient practically detailed evidence to show fully the fact pertaining to all entrants in this account. The detailed record shall be filled in such a manner as the readily available for examination. Thank you, students.